Hey fourth graders, here's a short little clip on finding perimeter. So when we find perimeter, we're going to find the distance around the entire shape. Right here we have a rectangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add up all the sides. So I have 2 7s here and 2 3s over here. So what I'm going to do is add 7 plus 3 plus 3. I add up all these numbers to find the perimeter. 7 plus 7 is 14. 3 plus 3 is 6. I know that 14 plus 6 equals 20. So the perimeter is 20. Now, if my numbers were labeled here with maybe our centimeters or millimeters or meters, whatever it might be, let's just say there was meters next to it, there's going to be the letter M right there. So what I need to do is write M on the back of this. It's really important to label your perimeter. If you have any questions, come to Zoom class.